creating or adding a new post using WordPress. I'm going to go to the Add New link here, or I could use the one up the top here to create a new post. I'm going to add a title, then I'm going to type the main body of the post, and then I'm going to take a look at which categories it should go into. So the post is motion/action lines. Of course, if you, depending on the style, you might want to capitalize. That's really your choice of how you want your blog posts to look. I can click here and I can start typing something, or I can go to a previously created document that I've written in Word, or this is in WordPad, the free word processor that comes with Windows. Now I've selected all the text here already, so I'm just going to right click on it. I'm going to choose copy, and then I'm going to go back to my WordPress blog. In this area here I can simply right click and choose paste. But if you're copying and pasting from Word, you might have some formatting that you want to copy across. Just be aware that you have these options here: paste as plain text, paste from Word. You might find them quite handy. So I'm going to choose the option to paste as plain text, just so that you get to see what it looks like. Notice that it gives me some formatting choices, namely keep line breaks. So I'll click in here and I'll use Ctrl+V to paste into this text area, and then I'll simply click insert, and so we now have some spacing between the paragraphs. Then of course I can choose a category for this. Now I've got some categories there, like courses, events, etc. Courses most closely matches the topic of this post, so I'm just going to click there. But it could be news as well. You might want it to appear in a number of different places. So at this point I'm going to tick both those category boxes. In the excerpt I might type something that summarizes what's in here. I guess it's like a handcrafted summary here. That's what WordPress tell you. Handcrafted summary to allure people, to draw them into what you're writing about. Action lines make balls go faster. Now if I'm happy with my title, the categories I've chosen, and the excerpt, I can simply publish this, and I've created a new blog post. I can of course view it. Now I'm used to having multiple windows open, so notice these tabs up the top here. I'm using the Google Chrome Internet browser rather than Internet Explorer, so that's why it looks a little bit different. I normally right click on View Post, so I can open the link in a new tab. Now I can see what it looks like on the actual website. But then I can go back to the administration area and I can start editing it straight away if I see something that needs to be changed. So that's how simple it is to create a blog post, allocate some categories, put an excerpt, and then publish it. If I made changes, of course, I could update it.